Hi guys, welcome to my channel Anna's Recipes. So today I'm going to make egg chowmein, right, with some carrots. I have sliced in a long size, you can see, right? And I have taken 2 eggs, soya sauce, black soya sauce you have to put, and black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon salt, and some ajinomoto, that is called tasting powder, and this is vinegar you can put, right? And the main ingredient is the chow, which I have boiled it, right? You have to boil for 20 minutes or 15 minutes, right? Not that much boil, half boil, so that your chow does not get spashed, you know what I mean, soft, so it won't taste good. So I have boiled it for little time, for 15 minutes. So guys, let's get started with the recipes today. Now I have taken the karai, right? It gets warm, I'll put some oil in it. I have taken some oil and I'm heated it, right? It's hot. Now I'll be putting some onions and carrots and I'll fry them. Take an onion and I'm putting it to fry. It's frying. Let it get little red. Now you can see it's turning brown, right? Now I'll put carrots in it. The carrots. And nicely fry them. Let it get a little brown. Then I'll put egg. You can see guys, it's been cooked, right? It's been fried. Now I'll put some eggs. Put some egg. Wait. Now I'll fry the egg nicely with the carrot. Mix it properly. Now I'll put the chow, which is there. Now I have mixed the chow properly, right? You can see. Now I'll put some soya sauce. This is the soya sauce which I'm going to put. and some vinegar as well. This is the vinegar. And some mixing, that is ajinomoto, which I said, and salt. Now I'll mix them properly. You can see I have properly mixed the chow, right, with the soya sauce that was put and some salt. You can see it's nicely made, right. Now I'll put some pepper to garnish, right, to taste good. So I'll put it now. I have taken the black pepper powder. Now I'll mix it properly. So guys, my food is prepared. The egg chow mein is ready to eat. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos, right? Please do subscribe, like, share and comment in my channel below, right? And support me, right, always, and keep sharing my videos, right, to your families and friends, so I can get more subscribers, right, and I can put more videos for you guys. So take care guys, right, and I will take out some chow mein and I'll show you all, right. So hold on. The chow is served. It's been served, right. Now thank you guys for watching my videos. I'll be updating more videos like this, right, and stay tuned. Till then, take care. See ya.